If iMessage isn't working on your iPhone, here's how to fix it fast. First, open Settings, tap Messages, and make sure iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, turn it off. Wait 5 seconds, then turn it on again. Next, go to Settings Wi Fi and make sure you are connected to the internet because iMessage needs data to work. If it still won't send, go to Settings, Messages, Send and Receive, and make sure your Apple ID and phone number are checked. If it's still not working, go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and Enable Set automatically. Finally, restart your iPhone. After rebooting, try sending a message again. So that's it.